There's a lot going on. The markets are moving fast, your emotions are running high, but successful traders, they don't react. They respond with clarity, control, and discipline. This isn't just another meditation. It's your new daily mental reset to lock into the zone. Eliminate hesitation and stick to your plan no matter what. Use this before every trading day for the next 30 days. Bookmark it, build the habit. Then come back and let me know how your trading's been transformed. I want you to close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds. And exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 seconds. Let go of the noise, let go of the outcome, let go of the market. If you find your mind drifting to a certain outcome through the trading session, identify it, become aware of it, note in your mind that you're drifting, but don't judge yourself, and then just bring yourself back to your breath. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, and breathe out for 4 seconds. Now remember, your job for this trading session isn't to be right. Your job is not to predict the outcome, and your job certainly isn't to prove anything to anybody. Your job as a trader is to listen to the market. And only when the market presents an opportunity that aligns with your plan, your job's to execute on that position. Again, if you find your mind drifting to a certain outcome that you think you're going to get from the market, then bring yourself back to your breath. Breathe in for 4, hold for 2, and breathe out for 4. With your eyes closed, I want you to recall your trading plan. Your entry points, your exit points, and your risk management. Your trading plan is your guide through this trading session. If the market shows an opportunity that aligns with your plan, you trade. But remember, today's outcome, win or loss, it doesn't matter. What matters is sticking to your trading plan and your process. I want you to think beyond just the outcome of today. Think about the week, think about the month, think about the year. Although the outcome of today's trading day could either be a loss or it could be a win, what truly matters is the outcome at the end of a larger sample space, at the end of a year. Today's trading day may be one of those inevitable losses, part of your sample space and part of your edge. What's important is to broaden your horizons and not just think about the outcome of today, but realize today's loss may be taking care of previous wins, or it may be compensating for future wins to give you your true edge. Now, I want you to visualize this. The market's presented an opportunity that aligns with your trading plan. I want you to visualize yourself taking that trade. And in the first scenario, I want you to visualize yourself taking that trade and then taking a loss. And you being unemotional about that loss. You realizing you made the correct decision because the trade aligned with your trading plan. Now, in the second scenario, I want you to visualize yourself taking that exact same trade and it being a win this time. And you, again, being unemotional about that win because what truly mattered was you trading your plan and sticking to your edge and sticking to your process. So irrespective of the trading outcome today, the win or the loss, what's truly most important is sticking to your trading plan and listening to the market. If the market presents an opportunity, you execute. If the market doesn't present an opportunity today, that's okay. Recognize that there's an abundance of opportunity over a larger time horizon. And although there may not be opportunity today, there will certainly be opportunity over the next week. And if the market tempts you with a trade that kind of meets your trading plan, but not really, it's okay. You can let that go too. There will always be more opportunities in the market. Now, I want you to bring yourself back to your breath. Breathe in for 4, hold for 2, and breathe out for 4. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and prepare yourself for today's trading opportunities.